So, hello world, this is Ishan from PyVisualizer YouTube channel, and we are back again with a really amazing Python project. And this project is made in collaboration with Prog Vaibhav. Go check out his channel for some really amazing Python stuff. And this we named this project PyHelp search engine, made on Python for Python. Well, it doesn't mean that it will not work for other users. Definitely it will. Now let's begin with our project. Wait, let me tell you about the technologies we used. Actually, we used web scraping, file handling, Tkinter for GUI, and SQLite 3 for database management. Now let's quickly begin with our project. Let me show you the functions and features of our project. So here we go.
Welcome to PyHelp search engine.
Thank you. So here we got two options, search and widgets. Definitely the search is to search anything, and widgets got some extra feature, let's say bonus feature of our project. Let's see this. Widgets got time, day, calculator, calendar, and translator. Let's go them one by one.
Sir, the time is 5:14 and 32 seconds.
Okay, now go for the day.
May 21st, 2020. Thursday.
Okay, now let's check for calculator. Here we go. Now we got the calculator screen. We can calculate anything we want. Let's say 33 multiplied by 65. We got 2145. Okay. Now let's open the calendar. Sure. Date entry. Okay, here we got our calendar. It looks really nice. Now let's simply close it and open the translator. Okay. Source English. Translate into Hindi. Let's say hello. Translate.
Hello.
Thank you. Alright. Now let's search anything. But before that, let me close my internet connection. I'll show you why. I just disconnected my internet. Okay. Now let's search for anything. Let's say search for Python 3.
Processing. Please wait.
You got no results.
Whoops. Internet error. Check your internet and try again.
Oh,
Till then, enjoy the game.
okay. We also got an offline game, just like Dino game in Chrome, just similar to that. And this game is made by Vaibhav Gondalia. Yeah, Prog Vaibhav. Check him out. Now, here is our offline game. Okay, let's close it. Let's push the back button connect our internet. Connect. We are connected. Now let's search for anything.
Processing. Please wait.
Okay. Here we go. We got too many links related to our search. Python.org, docs.python.org, and real Python, open source, Coursera. Too many of them are there. These links are sorted by the most visited links on Google. So this will definitely help you when you are just going through that, because you do not have to wander around thousands or hundreds of websites. That just it personally frustrates me. So now it says, as a programmer, let's customize our search. Use mod your query to search for any library, error your query to search for any error, git your query to search on GitHub, SDK your query to search on Stack Overflow. So let's search for any module. Let's say random module. Search.
Processing. Please wait.
Okay. Here it is. We got the little description about the random module and the official site where we can open it, and also a speak button. Let's push the speak button.
Random. Description. Generate pseudo-random numbers with various common distributions. Link. https://docs.python.org/3/library/random html number module random.
Okay. We also got the more related links. I told you the links are sorted by the most visited link. That will help you a lot. We also got some random Python facts to boost your Python knowledge. Let's refresh the page and
Processing. Please wait.
okay. Here it is. We refresh the page. We got a new random Python fact. We can open it in our official site, that is docs.python.org, and we got it. Now let's search in Stack Overflow. Let's say SDK colon. Let's search for simply Python 3. Now let's search for Tkinter.
Processing. Please wait.
Okay. Here it is. The more related links and open in Stack Overflow. I push the button. We got the Stack Overflow result for Python. Install Tkinter in Python. Enter Python. May not configure for TK into many things. Alright. Similarly we got error option, GitHub option. We also got the history option to show the history definitely in any browser. Let's push the show button, and here we got the history from previous day till today, 20th to 21st. It is a lot. Okay. Let's now push the about button, and here we got the about section. PyHelp search engine. PyHelp search engine is made for Python programmer to make their work easy while programming, blah blah blah. Pause the video and read it out. Developer Vaibhav Gondalia. YouTube channel Prog Vaibhav. Instagram Python programming. And definitely me, Ishan. YouTube channel, PyVisualizer, Instagram channel, as well as PyVisualizer. And we also got one button, that is exit. So let's push it out and close all the things. So we are done here. If you want to get PyHelp search engine, its executable file or source code, you can just contact us here by calling us, messaging us, or texting us on Instagram. Till then, bye-bye.